was we are going to be looking at arithmetic and geometric progression, and under that I'm going to be showing you how to find the common difference in arithmetic progression and how to find the common ratio in geometric progression. So let's get started. Now from question number 1, we've been given, we are asked to find the common difference. The common difference for an arithmetic progression is represented by the letter D in the following AP. So you have 6, 14, 22, 30, and then you have 2, 5, 8, and 11. And then for the second question, we're asked to find the common ratio in the following GP. We have 6, 18, 54, and then that is it. So let's solve the first question. So we take number 1, I. So the sequence is 6, 14, 22, 30, down, down, down. So in AP, this is the first term. This is the first, you call this is first term. And this is the second term. And this is the third term. And this is the fourth. This is the fourth term. Okay, so if you want to find the common difference, D, you have D to be equal to, you can either say second term minus first term, or you can say fourth term minus third term. So whichever way you do it, you are going to have the same answer. So in this first one, if we want to consider second term minus first term, the second term is 14, and then the first term is 6. So our common difference will be 14 minus 6, and that will give us 8. So if we still want to find out if it is correct, we can take the fourth term minus the third term. So fourth term is 30 minus third term is 22. So the answer will still give us 8. So it means for this question, the common difference, D, equal to 8. And so we can also use the same method to solve, this other one, I. We have that 2, 5, 8, 11. So this is our first term, this is our second term, this is our third term, and this is our fourth term. So we can say second term minus first term. So that will give us 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So if we still say fourth term minus third term, it will still give us 3. So the common difference here is 3 for this particular question. And so let's go to question number 2. Let's go to question number 2. We can solve our question number 2 here. So number 2, solution. So we have that I is 6, 18, 54, 162, down, down, down. So in this one, it's always this term, the second term divided by the first term. So this is the first term, first, second, third, fourth. So for this one, we are looking at common ratio. So we are not subtracting. Difference is subtraction. That's why we are subtracting. But when we are talking about ratio for the GP, that's the geometric progression, we are looking at division, because we are looking, it is ratio. So it's going to be this is first term, this one is second term. So for us to find a common ratio, please permit me to of this up. So for us to find a common, okay, let me take it down. For us to find a common ratio, so a common, as for I, a common ratio, R will be equal to second term divided by first term. Note we are looking at common ratio, so we divide. When you are looking at common difference, you subtract. So this will be 18 divided by 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 3. So our common ratio will be 3 for this question. And now for the II, we know that our sequence is 16, 24, 36, 54, 81. So like we did in the first example under geometric progression, and so this is our first term, this is our second term, this is our third term, fourth, fifth. So common ratio will be equal to second term divided by first term. So our second term is 24, so we have 24 divided by our third term is 16. So if we say 4 here, we have 4. 4 into 24 is 6. 6 here. 2 into 6. Okay. 2 into 6 will be 3. 2 into 4 will be 2. So we cannot further divide this, so we have our R to be equal to 3 over 2. So that is our common difference. But if you want to use the fourth and the third term to determine your common difference, you can say this 54 divided by 16. That will give you your common difference. So viewers, that is how to determine common ratio rather. So viewers, that is how to determine common difference for AP and then common ratio for geometric progression. So like I said, if you're asked to determine the common difference between a sequence that is an arithmetic progression, you subtract the second and the first term from the second term. But if you're asked to find the common ratio for a geometric progression, you are going to be having the second term divided by the third term, or the fourth term divided by the third term. Thank you.